Good afternoon, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to plant my fall hanging basket. So I thought you might want to see how my hanging baskets are looking at the moment. So this hanging basket with impatiens in it is looking much better. The leaves are a bit yellow, but overall look is fine, and it is full of blooms. The temperatures are very low now at the night time, and it's been rainy for 2-3 days. Today we have got bright sunshine, but the plants are going to suffer now a little bit. We are already in fall, so this one is looking fine. I'm not going to change it at the moment, so I will let it go. One in here with petunias is very tired. As you can see, the leaves are wilting, there are few blooms, and it's not looking really nice. So I'm going to clear these petunia plants from this basket, and I'm going to put some pansy plants in it. As you know, pansy are hardy plants, so they can survive winter freezing temperatures. So I show you how to do it. See, I have taken all the petunia plants out of this basket. This is a cocoa fiber lined basket, and I think it's 10-inch diameter, so it's not very big basket. 3 to 4 plants will do in it. And when I took all the plants out, I realized there is one pansy plant already in there, so I left it in there in its place. So I'm going to plant 3 more in this basket, and I have taken these pansy plants from the shop. I am growing some from seeds at the moment as well, but they will take long time to reach this stage, so I thought I would buy some from the shop. As you can see, they are pretty yellow colors with brown shade eyes, so they are really pretty, and I think they will make a fantastic fall hanging basket. As you can see the information on it, it says Voila F1, and here it says it's not edible and it needs part shade. It will do in full sun as well, needs watering. So let's take 3 plants out of here and put this in the basket. So first I'm going to put some fertilizer in it. This is a water soluble fertilizer. It will provide instant nutrients. So as you can see, the soil is really dry and rough. I have broken some big lumps in it, so I'm going to put this fertilizer solution in it, and I will water it later on. So you can also put some slow release fertilizer, which will get the plants going. And I'm going to take this plant out from here, so gently pressing from the bottom should come out easily. Yeah, so here, as you can see, it has got nice root system. It's not really root bound, so I don't need to do anything. I'm gonna make a hole here and carefully plug this in there. So later on I will decide if I need to put any more soil, but I think it will do. If these some leaves are not right, you can take them off. So there it goes. I'm gonna take another plant from here. So it is a bit root bound, so you can break it apart a little bit to give roots a bit. So I'm gonna make a hole here. Put this in there. Normally when you plant your hanging basket, you know there is a centerpiece, and there are fillers, and there are thrillers, which the centerpiece basically goes in the middle, and it's like a little bit big and wide, so it grabs your attention. And then you put some fillers on the sides which fill the basket, and then you have thrillers which come out of the basket like trailing plants. So you can do it that way if you want, but at the moment I just like to do it with one plant, so I more like my hanging baskets look a bit uniform. So I'm not going to put any centerpiece or any thriller in it. So I think it's just the one plant with uniform white yellow blooms will look pretty in it. And these goes quite big, and they are a bit trailing as well, so they do fill the basket really quick and trails out of it. So I think I'm gonna put 4 in here, and there's one already in there from my spring plants. So because it's not really big basket, you don't want to fill it too much, otherwise it can go a little bit hard. So if you need to take some foil art, you can do it. I'm gonna take this one as well. Put this one here. Now I'm pressing the soil to make it leveled, and if there are any gaps, I'm making sure there are no air pockets. And after planting your basket, you can water it. So it's already looking quite lovely. It will grow and fill it and will trail out as well. I think this is enough. You may want to put one more plant in it, but from my previous experience, less is better. So I'm gonna stick to 4 or 5 plants in this basket. I'm not going to put it too many. So here it has got its chain, which I took down. So when you plant your basket, you need to water it, and then you can hang it in a place which is south facing, so that way you can get the most sun. So hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in next one.